What if one of the very things that drives people to conflict, a powerful sense of group identity, could also be a force for peace? We've all heard stories of people fighting for their group, but what if that same loyalty could actually encourage trust and cooperation with outsiders? A new study explores this possibility. Researchers conducted 2 large-scale studies in conflict-prone regions, including the Philippines, Pakistan, Uganda, Tanzania, and the Gambia. They wanted to know if a strong sense of group identity, what they call identity fusion, could lead to a more positive intergroup relation and under what conditions. What they call identity fusion is a powerful form of group alignment that goes beyond that sort of simple identification. It involves a really strong sense of oneness within the group, leading to a union between an individual's personal sense of self and their group identity. This alignment is stable and long-lasting, and fused individuals often feel empowered and in control of their group's actions. The concept is sometimes distinguished by its strong association with extreme and even violent pro-group behaviours, with fused individuals being willing to fight and in some cases even die for their groups. The theory suggests that fused members come to see one another as family, of course compelling them to defend their group when they feel it's necessary. Now, the findings of the study were really interesting. What they showed was that identity fusion was, in fact, positively associated with trust and a willingness to cooperate with outgroups, so people who were not part of that identity-fused group. This effect was strongest when people had a positive perception of the other group. In one study, people with a fused identity were more willing to cooperate when they perceived the interaction as mutually beneficial, and not as a zero-sum game where one group's gain is the other's loss. So it turns out that being extremely committed to your group doesn't have to mean being hostile to others. A tightly bonded and supportive group can act a bit like a secure home base, empowering individuals to confidently explore and engage with other groups. And of course, this suggests that a strong sense of us can actually be the foundation for reaching out for strong cooperative relationships to them.